Hi, Scott with thegrowthleague.com. I'm really excited to be here today to tell you about my partnership with RTI. The first thing I'm releasing is my mini course on goal setting. If you think it's too late in the year, if you think just because it's February, March, April, May even that you might be seeing this message, if you think it's too late to plan for 2022, you're absolutely wrong. This is a perfect time, and this is the perfect opportunity to do it. I've laid out a course which will take most people approximately 2 hours to complete. When you get through it, you're going to have a written plan for how to get from where you are to where you want to be. I'm going to take you through the process of planning. I'm going to give you lots of great ideas by department of how to set powerful goals. And I'm going to give you a way to track it for the year, month, and what weekly actions do you and your team have to take to make progress. At the end of the course, you'll see a link to schedule a one-on-one session with me at no extra charge. And what we'll do is review your plan, and I'll give you feedback and suggestions on how to make it even more powerful. So if you haven't already signed up, this is the time. I'll see you in the course.